In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Canva website design. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a safe working copy of your site so you can experiment, update content, or build new versions without touching the original. Start by heading to canva.com and logging in. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see sections like Your Designs and Projects. That's where your website designs live. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar at the top and type in a few words from your website's title to find it faster. Make sure you're in the correct team or workspace if you use multiple accounts, so you're looking at the right library. When you spot the website design you want to copy, hover your cursor over its thumbnail. You'll see a 3 dots icon appear, sometimes labeled More. Click that to open a Quick Actions menu. This menu is where Canva groups common tasks like sharing, renaming, and, most importantly for us, duplicating. In the menu, click Make a Copy. Canva instantly generates a duplicate and places it in your projects. You'll usually notice a new entry called Copy of, followed by your original design name. This duplicate is a separate file, which means your original stays exactly as it is. If your original website was already published, that status won't change, and the new copy will remain a draft until you decide what to do with it. Think of this copy as your sandbox, where you can try new layouts, colors, or content with zero risk. Next, open the new copy from Projects. Once it loads in the editor, rename it using the title area at the top toolbar. Clear naming is essential, especially if you manage multiple versions. A simple convention like website name, duplicate or website name, v2, with today's date makes it easy to track your progress later on. Now you can edit your duplicated website with confidence. All your pages, sections, fonts, and images carry over, so everything should look familiar. This is the perfect place to adjust headlines, swap imagery, refine navigation, or test new brand colors. Because you're working inside a copy, changes here won't affect the original design or any live version tied to it. Take a moment to click through each page and check that links, buttons, and interactive elements came across as expected. That's it. You've successfully duplicated your Canva website design, given it a clear name, and you're ready to iterate freely while keeping the original safe and intact.